Tired of fumbling with your wallet? Let's unlock the simplicity of Wells Fargo's digital wallet in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have the Wells Fargo app downloaded and are logged in. Tap on the menu icon €. It's usually located in the top corner of the screen. This will open up the main navigation. Look for digital wallet or card settings. The name might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's usually in the main settings area. Tap on it. Now you'll see the option to add your Wells Fargo cards to your digital wallet. Tap the plus button or add card option. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. Scanning is usually faster and more accurate. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete adding your card. Once added, your card will be available for use with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, depending on your device. You're all set. Now you can make secure and contactless payments with just a tap of your phone.